Hi, I'm Dr. Papya Bhattacharjee. In this problem, we are going to evaluate the limit of a function. And the function is given right here. The function is x. And we have to figure out what is the limit of x as x is approaching to -2. So that's our question. Now, there are many ways you can evaluate the limit of a function. One way is, it depends on the function itself, but one way is direct substitution. That's usually what we always do at the beginning. We want to first directly substitute the x value into the function and see if we get a result. And by result, I mean if we get a number. So why don't we try that first? Our function is x. We want to see if we can direct substitute. So x is approaching to -2. If you plug that value in the function, we get -2. So that's our answer, because we get a value as you directly substitute. And so this is the limit of the function as x approaches to -2. Now notice that this is a continuous function, and that's why direct substitution gives you the limit. But let us also understand what this really means graphically, because it's better to do that way. So let's remember, this is our function. Our function is x. So this is a linear function or a line. So if we graph it, we're graphing y equals x. So it's a line making a 45-degree angle passing through the origin. So this is the graph of the function that is given. And we are trying to evaluate the limit as x approaches to -2. So let's say here we have -2. What does that really mean, that x approaching to -2? Let us understand that. The approaching, that concept means that x is taking values close to -2 on the x-axis. So x is like traveling on the x-axis from right-hand side and left-hand side. That's the concept. Now, to evaluate limit, what we really need to see is what is happening to the function itself when x is traveling on the line, on the x-axis. So x is taking values close to -2. What is happening to the function itself? So notice that the function will be traveling along the graph for the right-hand side down this way, and for the left-hand side, it will travel up this way. The limit concept, one more time, is this. X is approaching to -2. Where is the function approaching to? Is there a value? And notice the value is right here, this value. And what is that value? Well, this is the function. The function is y equals x. And if you plug in -2, what is the y value? Y value is -2 as well, because y is same as x. So as x is approaching to -2, y is, or the function x, is also approaching to -2. And hence this is the limit which we already obtained before. Thank you.